everybody, I'm out here with all of our seeds that we have started indoors. We have a bunch of cauliflower, kale, broccoli, cabbage, a whole bunch of different ones we have in here. And they are starting to outgrow their little areas that they have in here. And a few of them need thinning out. We probably should have already done it, but life happens. We got busy, so we're going to do that now. And we are going to go through and we're going to make sure that there's only one plant in every section. And whenever we cut it off, we're just going to put it into this baggie and we're actually going to eat them inside. We're going to eat them, just like normal. We really like to add these little baby ones into different like salads, wraps, even stir fries. They're really good at this age. So also at this age, they're getting really close to being able to be transplanted outdoors. So we're going to start the process of hardening them off, which is where we just bring them outdoors for little bits at a time during the day. And we try to protect them at first and then start to slowly expose them to elements and get them used to the environment in which they're going to be in. You gonna help me, Selena?
I'm already trying to figure out how to do that.
He wants to come help too.
He doesn't understand why he's not that kind of cat.